Hello guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to get free K-stars in Kim Kardashian Hollywood. As you can see K-stars in my account. I will get unlimited free them in just a few minutes. Let me show you. First you need to open your browser and go to newtweaks.top/Kim. Here on the website, now you have to type in your Kim Kardashian Hollywood account. In your platform, press connect. Choose amount of K-stars you want. To complete the process, you need to install 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. Usually just need keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps, start it up. You need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. And now let's check your Kim Kardashian Hollywood account. You can see my account had K-stars. I hope you got your K-stars as well with the help of this tutorial. And just remember to follow all the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it works for you.